Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's an illustrative video. I'll be showing you how to achieve the free pattern method, and I'll be using my mannequin for today. So the free pattern method, it's one of the pattern style that I actually love to use when I'm braiding hair. You can use the free pattern method like every other pattern method, but this pattern method is particularly popular when it comes to locks. You can use it for soft lock, butterfly locks, but you can also use this pattern style for knotless braids, for regular braids, Senegalese twists, even for individuals who want to just braid their hair individually. Even though I use the mannequin in this video, feel free to try the same tricks, illustrations that I'm showing you in this video on an individual's hair when you're practicing at home. And if you're a stylist, you should consider offering pre-pattern styles like this one for clients who are interested in getting their hair done by themselves but want to have a clean pattern. As this is an illustrative video, I will just have the music playing in the background while I show you what I'm doing, and I hope you have a great time watching the illustration. Please let me know in the comments if you have any question. I also wanted to mention that this video is part 1 of the second video that will be uploaded in the channel in the next 2 weeks. I'll be using this pattern style to install the crochet soft lock. I believe in 18-inch, I believe so, but I have a total number of 57 braids once I was done with this. All right, thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope you have a great time watching me as much as I had a great time working on this project and recording this video as well.